Welcome to this course of Learning Python for absolute beginners. What you will learn in this course? In this course you will learn Python from scratch. But not only Python, but also the fundamental concepts for any programming language. This course is perfect for you if you've never done any programming before, or if you have kind of experience in different programming language and you want to learn Python from scratch now, or if you want to be professional in Python. In this course, you will see that Python is really easy to use and it can work with Windows, Linux, or Mac. And also it's powerful to do any program you want. This course will teach you Python from scratch, and we will do that step by step. We will start from downloading Python, install Python, set up your environment until you be professional in Python. So first we will see how you can download Python, install Python, and set up your environment. Then we will have a look to the basic of Python, and then we will have a look to the variables in Python, inputs and outputs in Python, lists and dictionaries, functions in Python, workflow like if statement, loop like for or while, working with files, object-oriented programming, and code style and how you can handle errors. So until you be professional in Python. This course containing many examples, real-life examples, and practical exercises. And at the end of this course, you can write your own program. So if you want to start programming in Python like professionals, then enroll now and enjoy this journey.